Alright, what do you got there?
Pizza dough! One of our friends on a boat over here at the dock was really nice and came over and sort of supervised me, well, gave me the recipe and everything, and then sort of supervised me making the dough. Just was kind of nervous. If anybody saw the bread video, it didn't turn out so well, so I kind of told her about my bread making experience. If I get this right a few times, I'm going to attempt the bread again. So, there it is. It's rising up.
Yeah, looks like it's bigger than whenever you guys first made it. So
Yep.
it's rising.
So, and then Ross is gonna,
Ross is gonna what?
I don't know, make the pizza.
This is very pretty. Alright, let's see. That water here.
She did say to let it sit, didn't she? No?
Let it sit.
I thought she said to take it out and then, I guess, okay. Didn't, if it wanted to come back together. She was saying it wants to come back together. And I don't know.
Let's see.
Does it look okay though?
We go to the corner. It's doing pretty good. Doesn't want to stick. It's retreating from the corner, but
That's typical though, isn't it? Look pretty good?
yeah, I just need a fork.
Wow, that was quick. Usually you slap it around a lot more than that.
There's a fold.
Hmm?
But it'll be alright. The way I do it is I leave a little bit between the sauce and the edge of the crust so the cheese will glue to the crust so your cheese doesn't slide off when you take a bite. Pro tip.
No, kitty. We got the sauce, and then I didn't have any spinach, so we did a little bit of chard, rainbow chard instead. And then we do the cheese.
Gotta see, put the cheese where it goes right over the edge of the sauce so that it'll bind with the crust. If you get it just up here by itself too much, it'll burn. Right, kitty?
Oh, kitty loves mozzarella. And then you did Parmesan. This is the only time you're gonna put the Parmesan, so.
Do you want all this on here? This is a
I
lot.
don't think so. Just use your good judgment.
I don't have any good judgment, you know that.
They're kind of thick slices of tomato. Kitty now. Quit trying to sneak cheese. Yep. Okay, so let's do the. Think that's good?
Yeah.
Okay. We put a bunch of them on there.
I don't you think
Can I get a pic of you doing it?
zucchini's doing good? This is why it takes forever to cook. Nope. Alright. We got 2 pieces of pizza here. Maureen's got a corner piece, and I've got a side piece. What was in this pizza again?
Crap. Sliced tomatoes, zucchini, onion, grated cauliflower. Oh, and some chard, rainbow chard.
So
Yeah.
it's all.
It's all from scratch. Made the sauce too.
Alright, give it a shot. I want to see what you think.
All right.
We're gonna get the full reaction. Food vlog time. You like that?
Mhm.
Is it better than the pre-made dough that we get?
I like it a lot.
You
Yeah.
like it?
Mhm. It's really soft. Like it's crunchy, but it's not hard.
That's good.
What do you think?
It's good.
It's
The cheese tastes, I like on mine like a little bit we put it on broil for a second because the top wasn't done, but I feel like my cheese is a little burnt.
Got a burnt piece.
But other than that, it's really good. The sauce is good. The crust is good. It's fluffed up, pretty nice and even. You know?
Yeah.
So,
Everything's good except we just have to watch that broiler, I guess.
yeah.
If we're gonna try and get the top done, it just takes a second. Well, it was really I mean, it wasn't in there.
We didn't do it very long.
wasn't in there very long on that, but apparently it happens real quick. That oven is a pain in the butt.
For that oven, I give it a really good thumbs up.
Yeah.
It's not a very good oven. It's one of those sunsets that start behind you. Go all the way around. Pretty epic out here. Pretty epic.